Hello, hello. It's been pretty chilly this summer, but today it's 25 degrees and the weather is good, so finally we are feeling the summer vibes in Helsinki. We were in the city center earlier today and we dropped by this Japanese market called Hachi. Actually, a few months ago I showed this place in my video, so I visited the place and got some Japanese ingredients and then made some food using that product. And luckily I got positive feedback from the audience about the video, and the owner of the shop told me that there are actually quite many people who visited that shop after watching my video. So if you actually visited, thank you so much, and the owner was happy about it. And today we got new products from the shop, and there are 3 different types of cold noodles. And it's really nice to eat cold noodles on a hot summer day like today. So basically the idea is we're gonna cook them today and also compare those 3 different types of noodles and also enjoy it with different toppings. I hope this video will be somehow interesting or useful for you. Yes, so we have 3 different kinds of noodles which we got from Hachi. And this is called somen. You haven't had somen, right?
What's that?
It's like a Japanese thin feet noodles. And these 2 are white noodles. I think this is pretty normal one. And this is more like a bit chewy texture. And this one is made of, in Japanese it's yomogi. So in English it's mugwort herb. And in Finnish it's puyo. Puyo, yeah. So we tried these different noodles today with some spring onion, ginger, wasabi, and eggs, and so on.
Wow, what a nice grip.
Yeah.
Correct grip on the knife. A surprise ingredient. What is it?
This is what I got from Japan, but you can buy exactly the same one from Hachi as well. So it's like a crispy
garlic?
Yeah,
maybe?
garlic in
chili
oil. And it goes well with noodles and rice, dumplings. Highly recommend.
Excellent.
I'm not getting any money from this. Like simply, I love this.
Okay, what next?
Ginger, superfood. My favorite food. Your favorite food. No, but seriously, after I started eating this, I don't really get sick.
Do you cut it or grate it?
Great.
Oh, that smell.
Oh yeah. By the way, this plate is nice, right?
Yeah, very good.
Wasabi. From Shizuoka Prefecture in Japan. The owner of Hachi said this has been really getting good feedback from Japanese people in Finland, so I decided to buy this.
Let's try out.
Have you had wasabi?
Yes.
Yeah. I think people know pretty well
I think so.
from sushi place lately.
Yeah.
Although those wasabi is not real wasabi. They are horseradish.
And it's not actually green, is it?
Yeah, not green. It's really more lighter.
Yeah, because the
color.
one you get from the sushi places here, it's I
It's
don't know,
really-
do they color it or something?
Yeah, it looks like matcha.
Yeah. What are you making now?
I'm making a fried egg. It's also one of the toppings for this somen noodles.
You know, Finnish people would probably use a fork for that.
Good point, true. But I think chopsticks are easier for that, maybe? Or what do you think?
Yeah, sure, if you're used to... Yeah, if you're used to using them. But you use them basically for everything, so...
Yeah, true. Okay.
Okay. You're gonna flip it like a pancake?
Well, I'm gonna cut it anyway
I think you should do that.
for the video.
Yeah, exactly.
True.
Take a risk.
Yeah, you know, life is about taking a risk.
Exactly.
Mm. You gotta get out of your comfort zone, I think. Okay.
Let's see how it goes. Oh! Wow. Good job.
See, I'm good under pressure. We need to boil for 3 minutes.
And then
Then,
step by step.
yes.
Yeah, I think there were English instructions also. Good to know.
Good point.
So you don't have to know Japanese to make these.
How to cook, boil 3 minutes, rinse in cold water, dip in ice water for firmer texture. Serve with noodle soup. Here is the noodle soup. This is made of soy sauce, mirin, and some soup stock.
And we're gonna put the wasabi and ginger there, mixed in.
Yeah, so let's prepare 2 different sauce. The one for wasabi, the other one for ginger.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, they went in really quickly.
Yeah. See my long chopsticks for cooking.
Next level. Still need more time.
No, I think good enough. So,
Oh no! Lonely noodle.
熱っ Okay, we can actually put it nicely on the plate.
We should have tested one first.
Yeah. Good. Hyvin tehty.
Kiitos, kiitos.
So you don't necessarily have to do this, but you know, if you have time.
Just aesthetics.
Yeah.
Next one.
Yes, this herb one, puyo noodles.
What was it in English?
Oh my gosh, I don't remember.
Mugwort.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is actually made in Japan. Company called Naraya. The design is pretty nice. So
Yeah, it's very classy.
Mm.
Does it smell like puyo?
Yeah.
Yes, last one.
Great. So this is also white noodles, but it's a bit more chewy.
It's a bit more thicker, right? I think it says here the thickness of the noodles right here.
Yeah, true.
The other one was 1.2, I think.
First one is 1.2 millimeter, so you are right. Smart. Oh, fancy.
We advertised that this is fun and quick to make. And we've been boiling this for half an hour now.
No, because we make these nice shapes.
Yeah, and
That's right.
3 different types of
Yeah.
noodles. So
If you have guests coming over, maybe, but if you eat at home, you definitely don't have to do this. I'm doing this because it's for the video. Yeah, so I'm not good at this kind of task. I'm gonna outsource this to you.
hey, they're perfectly fine.
Yeah, maybe.
And it's slippery.
Nice. Okay. Okay, so we are ready. Yeah, so you can actually put green onion to these ones, and I would put wasabi for one of them and the other one for ginger.
How much?
Up to you.
Is that too much?
Yeah, I think that's good. We can add later. Itadakimasu. I start from this thinner one maybe, with ginger sauce, and I can still add some eggs.
How is it?
So this is like a perfect light meal for summer, I would say. Green one, this with wasabi.
How is it different?
This tastes a bit like a spinach. But it's actually good and it goes well with wasabi.
Okay.
Wasabi has really nice like a flavor. But you definitely need this spring onion for sure.
Okay. Nice to know. Did you try the third one?
Yeah, this is a thicker one. I think we can add this chili.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll try with this ginger and add a bit of maybe this fried garlic chili sauce. Oh.
Good kick. Like a twist. Smells good.
So how is it?
Oh, it's really good. This wasabi goes so well.
Did you get the thinner one? Or?
Yeah, the thinner one.
Okay. So it's spring onion, eggs, and wasabi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I took the different combination that you did.
How is it?
Interesting. Yeah.
Like spinach.
Actually, I need to taste it with wasabi, but I think it goes very well with this ginger one.
Ginger, okay.
And it's a really nice food to have in a hot day.
Yeah,
Like
true.
during a hot day.
Mm,
And this could also be like a very good lunch.
true. Do you like it better with ginger or wasabi?
Actually, maybe wasabi
Mm,
a bit more.
yeah.
Although this puyo one is maybe a bit better with ginger.
Okay. Yeah, I agree. If I have to choose, I would choose wasabi.
Definitely with the garlic chili thingy.
Ah, yeah.
Okay, conclusion. Rates.
ごちそうさまでした。It was good. Did you like it?
Yeah, it was great.
Mm.
Which one was your favorite?
It's really hard to tell, but I think at least it'll be nice to buy two different noodles and compare them. And I would say if you have these noodles, you should eat with wasabi, like not the one from some big shops, not the fake one, but like wasabi tube from Hachi or smaller Japanese market, Asian market. And then actually this one went so well with noodles, and I bought this from Japan, but actually you can get this in Finland, which I didn't know because Hachi was selling this. So this deep fried garlic chili oil, this goes well with noodles and also any other things with rice or meat as well. So
My favorite was definitely the thicker white one.
Yeah,
So the more chewier one.
1.6.
Yeah, 1.6. Exactly. But all of them were great, but that was, I don't know, the texture was a bit better than the others.
Yeah, the other one is a little bit too thin. So, okay, it's so light and easy to eat and you don't even have to bite a lot. But if you want to enjoy the texture, maybe the thicker one is better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think Finnish people enjoy this?
I mean, sure, if they are used to eating food from other countries, I should imagine so.
Yeah.
Yeah, and people really should try cold noodles.
True.
Yeah.
Usually noodles are about hot. or warm
Exactly, in
here.
some kind of ramen or you know, in hot pot or something like that.
Okay, anyway, thank you. And thank you, Hachi, and thanks for cooking with me.
Thank
And
you.
thanks for watching this video. Moika!